Number one is that point delivery in Shillong city has been banned by the administration. I repeat it, it has been banned. If any of the gas agency is insisting on delivering the cylinders from a certain point, please bring it to the notice of the administration. The first step the administration will take will be seizing the truck and filing an FIR against the owner of the gas agency and will be arresting them. I have had a very lengthy discussion with all the gas agencies which are here in Shillong. They have impressed upon us that the home delivery charges are less, so they are not in a position to deliver at home. We have increased the home delivery charges now. The home delivery charge is 25 rupees per cylinder, meaning thereby that as of now the rate of the cylinder is 449 rupees 50 paise. That includes 25 rupees of home delivery. So those who are not getting the cylinders home delivery and are picking up from some other location, they have to minus 25 rupees and then do. That means the rate of the cylinder will be accordingly less. That will be 424 rupees and 50 paise. So please do not pay anything beyond it. Number one. Number two is that if somebody is behaving in the way which you are mentioning, that they are not giving at the home delivery and they are asking to pick up from a certain point, kindly bring it to the notice of the administration either by way of phone call or by giving some complaint in writing to us. We will definitely take action, because this has been already coordinated and settled with the gas agencies that point delivery is not allowed, only the home deliveries are allowed. Number three is that in terms of certain agencies who are not performing well or who are not as per the customer satisfaction, the gas agencies or the ministry has now allowed the portability of the gas connection. Portability means that, like we have in case of mobiles, you can keep the same number and can change the companies. Similarly, in case of LPG, you can keep the same connection, you can change the gas agency. So if you are not happy with the gas agency A, you can go to gas agency B, you can go to gas agency C, as per your choice, provided that gas agency is willing to supply gas in your area. So that way there is a lot of freedom which has been now given to the consumers or the individual customers, that he or she can pick up from the best service provider in the market. The purpose for doing this was to bring in a sense of competition amongst the gas agencies who are there in the city or all across the country, so that they perform well and their services are of the satisfactory standard. So these are the 2-3 points which I would like to highlight, and I'll request everybody to kindly do not pay anything beyond this amount and bring it to the notice of administration, and we will definitely take action.